Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past several days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Friday. Remember, cryptos are open 24/7, so the chart has continued to unfold over the weekend, and again, they are open 24/7. So if you're watching this video, 24 hours from now, then yeah, the chart may look a little different to you, but my goal here is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible, and I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels and then walk you through some questions, and based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate kind of the current status of the chart. So the very first question you need to ask yourself is, where is the price at relative to that purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average? Over the weekend, on several occasions, the price tried to get up above it, including the past 24 hours, but each and every time, as you see, the price just hasn't been able to get above it, but it is threatening. So like I said, that's why it's important to, we'll say 20 hours. So 20 hours from now when you're watching this, where's the price at relative to that? If you are answering the price, answering the question that the price is up above that purple line, well, that's a good sign of bullishness. Now, how bullish? Well, that's where some kind of gut instincts and common sense comes into play, meaning if the price is right here, okay, don't get me wrong, that is still definitely bullish, but if the price is all of a sudden way up there, well, then that would just mean that the price is that much more bullish. So, like I said, use some common sense and gut instincts to kind of gauge just how bullish any sort of breakout is. But, like I said, if you are answering the question that the price is up above that 50 period, that would imply that there is a breakout currently underway. Now, if you are answering the question that the price is still down below it, that doesn't necessarily mean that anything's ruined or anything like that. It just means that the price is essentially still, going through its, current consolidation, assuming that the price is still up above this level. So like I said, next question you need to ask yourself, assuming you are answering the question that the price is still down below the 50 period, is where is the price at relative to 63.80? If somehow you're answering the question that the price is also now down below 63.80, that would imply that the bears have essentially taken totally back over, and things are looking not so good for the overall chart as a whole. But if you are answering the question that the price is up above 23.80, but still down below the 50-period moving average, so in other words, the price is just simply down around this area of the chart, well, then one word could summarize that, and that would just be, the price is currently consolidating. So use these general levels, ask yourself those questions, use a little bit of common sense, and that'll keep this video relevant for as long as possible. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.